Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character nan or nan. Step by step, I will first write it in regular scripts, then following 2 words and 1 sentence. Now, let's write. Nan. This is a polyphone. Is nan. It means difficult. Problem. Not good. As nan. Means disaster. Distress. For example, 难道难道 Don't tell me. Could it be that? Could it be that? 难道难民难民 refugee Here is a sentence. Could this girl be a refugee? Could this girl be a refugee? "难道这个姑娘是个难民？难道这个姑娘是个难民？" Could this girl 难道这个姑娘girl 是个 be a 难民 refugee. 难道这个姑娘是个难民？ My daily handwriting on the character nan. Nan, difficult. Problem, not good. Nan, disaster, distress. 难道 couldn't tell me, don't tell me. Could it be that? 难民 refugee. Could this girl be a refugee? 难道这个姑娘是个难民？难 Well, please comment any sentence with the character nan. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.